Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 BMW 440xi Gran Coupe. It is the 3-liter i6 engine. Absolutely immaculate. So it does have the alloy wheels. Dual exhaust. It does have a lot of trunk space. This trunk is massive. It also has trunk space down below as well. And tell it to close. Very, very sporty styling. I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Gran Coupe right there. Branding going on, black leather. It also has heated seats in the front and the back. Here are your driver presets, your seat controls. BMW does an excellent job with seat controls in this model. Okay, I'll go ahead and turn this radio down so you can hear me, and then I'll turn this down as well. You see that it also has heated seats up front. It has 10,747 miles on it. It also has paddle shifters. These are paddle shifter extensions. The lights are on right now. We'll go ahead and turn that to automatic. It has lane drift sensors and a CD player as well. Here is your shifter, your backup camera, so that you can see, and I'll put it into reverse as well. The cameras are awesome for this, parking and backup cameras. Here's your sport and eco modes, parking sensor, and you do have a sunroof in this one. Okay, and then we can jump to media and close our message. Okay, so here's your map as well. You can see they gave it kind of a 3D look to it. Very, very cool. And then for communications, for options, and we'll just go back a little bit. Okay, so that's our main menu right here. And weather today, as you see, it's 98 degrees here. Vehicle settings, the iDrive settings, vehicle status. These are all very, very cool. Tire pressure and all that kind of fun stuff. So, that about does it for this little Beamer. Oh, it does have a brand title. It did have body damage from this driver's side all the way around to the back trunk, which was all cosmetic. As you can see, we've got it all fixed up. That's passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.